So for a long time I've been recording with the camera you're watching me now, but I find myself constantly looking for more dynamic camera angles, and while that thing's good up there, sometimes I need something a little lower to the ground, and I've been filming with the camera on my phone a lot more. So what I've been doing is opening it up like that and using the camera as sort of like an ad hoc stand. That's been great, or actually I'll do it this way so I can use the back camera, but sometimes it's not high enough and I've been stacking up boxes and whatnot, so I figured, what if I could use something that I've had laying around for a long time? I barely ever use my GoPro anymore. It's a GoPro Hero 5, I believe, or 6, and there's just some features on it that are a bit antiquated, so I haven't been using it. So I wanted to get back into using this, but obviously it has a sort of GoPro proprietary mount up here. It's basically 3 little loops that the mount fits into, and then you lock it in with this. That's where this bad boy comes in. I found this on Amazon for $8.99. MA28 phone mount clip by Ulanzi. All right, sorry if I'm butchering that name. The packaging is pretty straightforward, nothing really special to see here. It's made in China, I believe. Yep, made in China. But the goal being for me to combine this and this guy to hold this guy. Let's break right into it and see what we got here. Again, for $8, if it comes even close to doing the thing it needs to do, that'll be fine. I don't plan on running around with it. It's just something I want to be able to hold my phone stationary on my desk. You can't see, but there's a big fat lip on this thing on the edge, and this guy will fit on there well. So right away, I'm actually kind of surprised by the quality. It's plastic, but it feels like very dense plastic, if that makes any sense. You have a lock and unlock knob there so that you can rotate, and there's really big stops in there. So even if you don't lock it, it's going to kind of still hold it. Your phone's not going to go flying. And then when you tighten it down, it really holds it well. And it almost feels like 3D printed material. It's very hard. I like it, not gonna lie. So this screws out right away. I wonder, okay, yeah, it looked really wide, and it's just default position. Let's see how wide it goes though. I didn't even go that tight. It seems to be holding it really well, actually. So I have it locked in against the base here, but I guess you could slide it up and then you'd be able to move it around more freely. You know what I mean? So like you could maybe hold it like this. You probably have to really wrench down on the phone. Very surprising. And then you can unlock it and rotate it on the fly. Actually holds it really well. I guess then you could film this way if you wanted to, and it is compatible. This guy, nice tight fit. It holds it pretty well. Yeah, so that should do the trick. Yeah, so if you're looking for a GoPro adapter for a phone, Ulanzi's got you covered for under $10. I'll post a link down in the video description below. I'm curious, other creators, what do you guys film with? Is it stationary cameras primarily, or do you guys use phones? I feel like this day and age, the ability to use a phone to do everything is super beneficial because it's on you, it's up to date, and they have a lot of features. Anyway, thanks for checking this out with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.